Hello students, I hope all of you are well. So today we are going to discuss second set of Indian modern history MCQs. If you complete this session, you will get the huge knowledge from this session. So let us start. First question is newspaper Kesari was published by. The right answer is option B. The right answer is option B. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. This newspaper was to spread the awareness about British policies towards Indians. This newspaper was published in vernacular language, that is Marathi language. Clear? Next question is, on which among the following dates the Gandhi-Irwin Pact was signed? The right answer is 5th of March. Right answer is 5th of March 1931. So its main provisions were, first one, this pact was signed between Gandhi and Lord Irwin. इसकी फर्स्ट जो प्रोविज़न थी वो क्या थी? टू रिलीज all political leaders from jail. Clear? And second provision was to revoke the ban. Revoke means hatana. To revoke the ban from Indian National Congress. And the third and main point was to return back the properties of सत्याग्रहीस. जो भी लीडर्स और पर्सन जो भी किसी भी वायलेंस और किसी भी रिवोल्ट में जो अंगेज्ड थे, उनकी जो प्रॉपर्टी गवर्नमेंट ने कैप्चर कर रखी थी वो उसको भी रिटर्न करने का इसमें प्रोविज़न था. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, विच वाज ओनली सेशन ऑफ इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस प्रिसाइडेड बाय महात्मा गांधी? दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. द राइट आंसर इज बेलगाम सेशन. दिस सेशन was held in 1924. This session was 1924. ये क्वेश्चन आपको क्यों आता है? बिकॉज दिस वॉज द ओनली सेशन दैट टुक प्लेस इन विलेज और गांधी जी वॉज द प्रेजिडेंट. दिस बेलगाम गांव इज लोकेटेड इन कर्नाटका. Next question is, which incident established supremacy of the British over French in India? So see carefully, these are talking about French. So the right answer is Battle of Wandiwash. The right answer is Battle of Wandiwash. This battle took place in 1760. इस बैटल के साथ ही जो फ्रेंच पावर थी इंडिया में वो कम्प्लीटली डिमोलिश कर दी गई किसी ब्रिटिश की वजह से. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, ऑन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग चार्जेस बाल गंगाधर तिलक वाज अरेस्टेड इन 1908? वी ऑल नो दैट बाल गंगाधर तिलक वाज एन एक्सट्रीमिस्ट लीडर एंड वो एवरी टाइम ऐसी एक्टिविटीज़ करते रहते थे जिसके कारण भी हमें आज़ादी मिल सके. और देयर फेमस स्लोगन इज स्वराज इज माई बर्थराइट एंड आई शैल हैव इट. मीन्स स्वराज मेरा जन्म सिद्ध अधिकार है और मैं इसे लेकर ही रहूँगा. So the right answer is option सेडिशन. सेडिशन क्या होता है? इंडियंस को और किसी भी पर्सन को सेडिशन मीन्स किसी भी पर्सन को या ग्रुप ऑफ पर्सन को गवर्नमेंट के विरुद्ध भड़काना। तो उस टाइम पे गवर्नमेंट कौन सी थी? ब्रिटिश। तो ब्रिटिश के विरुद्ध लोगों को जागरूक करना, अवेयर करना इसका काम था। सो इसको 1908 में जेल हो गई थी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज इन विच ईयर IAS नॉट ICS exam was conducted in India for the first time? The correct answer is 1950. Correct answer is 1950. So our next question is, who was the editor of the newspaper Sabad Kumudi? Yes, the first or right answer is Rajaram Mohan Rai. Answer is Rajaram Mohan Rai. We know about Rajaram Mohan Rai that he was also a founder of Brahmo Samaj. Also founder of Brahmo Samaj. And he was very intelligent person and do a great contribution in stopping Sati Pratha or Sati system. Next question is, who of the following Governor General was the first to associate himself with welfare activities of the people? Welfare means लोगों की भलाई के लिए ये फर्स्ट गवर्नर जनरल कौन था जिसने काम किया था? तो राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए, लॉर्ड विलियम बेंटिक. लॉर्ड विलियम बेंटिक इज एसोसिएटेड विथ राजाराम मोहन राय और he stopped sati system and child marriage act. Next is, who was the editor of the newspaper Punjab Kesari? Who was editor of newspaper Punjab Kesari? So answer is Lala Jagtan Rai. Question 10th. The actual revolt of 1857 was started from which of the following places? We all know it. The right answer is option B, Meerut. Started by Mangal Pandey. Why? The immediate cause of the revolt was cartridge having cow or pig fat. Question 11. Between which of the following stations was the first railway line opened in India? Right answer is Bombay to Thane. Yes, it was a journey of 53 kilometers and started in 1853. Next question is, who among the following Europeans were the last to come in pre-independent India as traders? हमें अच्छे से पता है कि नंबर ऑफ ट्रेडर्स इंडिया में आए थे किस चीज़ के लिए? ओनली वन थिंग, दैट इज़ फॉर स्पाइस. दैट इज़ फॉर स्पाइस, मसालों के ट्रेड के लिए जितनी भी कंपनीज इंडिया में आई थी वो उनमें से लास्ट जो है द राइट आंसर इज फ्रेंच. राइट आंसर इज फ्रेंच इन 1664. Next question is, the Munda rebellion started under which of the following? The right answer is Birsa Munda. The right answer is Birsa Munda. Option B. Next question is, Brigadier General of Punjab who ordered troops of the British Indian Army to fire on the unarmed Indian civilians in Jallianwala Bagh. We all know that on 13 April 1919, people were gathered at Amritsar in Jallianwala Bagh. So they were gathered to do peacefully revolt against the arrest of Dr. Saifuddin Kichlu and Dr. Satyapal. So if we talk about Rowlatt Act, though it was act passed by British government to arrest any suspect Indian. तो इट मीन्स क्या था? ये एक ऐसा एक्ट था भी किसी भी इंडियन को जिस पे भी गवर्नमेंट को डाउट हो उसको अरेस्ट कर लो, उसको बिना बताए, बिना किसी ट्रायल के. तो गांधी जी ने इस एक्ट को क्या नाम दिया था? ब्लैक एक्ट. क्या बोला था? ब्लैक एक्ट. So the right answer is General Dyer. The right answer is option C, General Dyer. Next and last question is, which among of the following was the immediate reason of rise of extremism? Extremism means extremist leader. वो ऐसा कौन सा चांस था, कौन सा ऐसा इंसिडेंट था जिसके कारण एक्सट्रीमिस्ट लीडर को रिवोल्ट करना पड़ा? यस, द राइट आंसर इज conservative rule of Lord Curzon and partition of Bengal. We know the partition of Bengal took place in 1905. So the right answer is option C, both of them. Now new question is, why British do partition of Bengal? Partition of Bengal, so that they adopted the policy of divide and rule. So the people were gathering together to send back the British into their area. So they divided the Bengal into two parts, East Bengal and West Bengal, which led the unification of India. And along with this, people started Swadeshi movement, or simply buy British things, either burn them or dump them into sand. So I hope all these questions may help you a lot. Thank you.